Hi everyone, we the team Atom of Goa Off-Roading Club. This is our fourth event by the name Badlands Challenge Season 4. We are really happy and glad to see lot of entries this year. I really encourage the newcomers who have come and participated. The sports of off-roading, the passion of off-roading should always live alive, and we all the off-roading community should come ahead and support the community.
Being present here, and each one of you make a difference, and it's nice to see all of you all here in the right spirit with a lot of fellowship, and I wish you all well, do well, and don't mind if you are not the first. Okay, all the best.
It's a very good event here. The tracks are well designed, and we are enjoying also the tracks.
3, 2, 1.
The first prize in Pro Modified, again it goes to